Hey guys, this is Ranvi from Critic Reviewer and you are watching the unboxing of the LG PuriCare Wearable Air Purifier, and I may be one of the first few guys to get it for unboxing. So watch it right now. So let's open the box. The best thing is this thing, as the COVID been out here almost like a year and everybody is waiting for the solution. So right now the best thing would be to protect yourself. So LG, I remember at least 6 months back, they've been talking about it, that they're going to come up with something, a very interesting combination of purifying with a UV or something with a HEPA filter. And last week we got the news, it's going to be available in UAE, and that's why I have it here. So let's open it up. So much fun to open new boxes, right? Opening the cover like this and it opens up. Oh, there's one more lock here. So let me open that lock. It's cut. Oh, it's like this. My mistake. No problem. And I'll open it from your point of view. So there is one box on top, which you can see here. Let me remove this. And what we can see is the mask, and I think let me keep this on the side, and there's one more box inside. So what's inside this? Let's see this. Stop. Here it comes, here it comes. The packaging is tight. It's good. Maybe I'll just hold it. Hello. Okay, let's keep it like this only right now. So here is the warranty card, owner's manual, that's a wearable air purifier about it. I'll just keep it here on the side and let the Caesar go outside. Oh, here are the masks, which is changeable. I think so you have to replace it every few days. So I don't know how many quantities. What I've read, it's supposed to give in 10. So this must be a quantity of 5 plus 5, that makes it 10. Here are the two HEPA filters, which has to be inserted inside the mask. I'll get back to you and show how to do it. Then here we have the USB Type-C cable. So for charging the mask, because the mask has got 2 fans. And I'll just keep this on the side. And then further inside the box, this is the band for fixing it around your neck while you're wearing it, so it makes it more comfortable, reducing the load on your ears. So I'll show you how to use this. It's got like a hook thing, and this is lovely, a nice good finish cover to carry the mask. It's got the LG branding out here, LG PuriCare, you can see, I hope so, and beautiful. It looks very classy, nice like a felt material. And let's see what else inside does it come with. Oh, there's nothing here. So let's close this thing on, keep it on these things on the side. Come back to the first box, which is the mask. So let's open it up. Where does it open from? Oh, here it is. So here you can see opening the unit, which is the mask. If you can see the logo, LG PuriCare. So it is nice, ABS plastic kind of material. And here is, you're supposed to insert the filters. You can see the fan. Okay, and same thing is on the other side, the 2 fans. These are supposed to pull in the air, so it helps for the person who's wearing it to breathe properly. So that's the whole idea. I'll just keep it right now on the side. And this is the mask silicone cover. I think I need to just cut it off. this is the silicone rubber kind of silicone material. You can see it's got holes for breathing properly enough. This is the part which goes inside the mask, which I'll show you right now in short time. And again, I'll just press it back again just to give you an idea. So this is the silicone cover. This is the Type-C cable, the changeable mask, 10 of them coming inside us. I'll make it into heart shape and the HEPA filters, 2 HEPA filters for the mask inside. So this is the stuff which is there inside the mask when you get it. So now the most important thing is how to fix this mask. So this particular unit has got an 822, I think so, 820 ampere battery in it, which drives the fans which is inside this. So there's a power button also here. If you can see, it's a small little power button which once I can show you to, which lights up, like it shows, like if it's a green color, it is 70% up to 100 to 70% from. If it's orange color, that means the battery level is from 70 to 25%, and it's become red, that means you need to recharge the unit, and you need to do it again. So the timing and everything I'll let you know. So it's very simple. First I will just open up the HEPA filter. Again, better cut it out. These are 2 HEPA filters, and there are indicators how to insert it also. Okay. So let's insert them. Taking one, this is the indication. Place it inside. This one is ready, and here on the fan, from going from one side to other, that's it. One is ready. Same thing would be done for the second one. Open it up. Again, following the indication, put it inside. See, make sure it's properly fixed, because that's where the whole thing goes off. Now, yes, I've done it. Don't press it too hard because the HEPA filter will get damaged. Again, click, it's ready. Now the second part which comes is inside. When the air, after the air has been quality controlled through the HEPA filter, it comes inside this, and these are the way when the air enters. And if you can see down here, when I press it down, you can see while you breathe out the air from your nose, the air goes past it out from here and from down. So right now I need to fix this. It's got like a magnetic touch to hold it. So I'll just insert the filter first, which is can be used, depends on your how much time you're using it. You can maybe keep it on for 3 days also. So I'll go to the 10 filters. As you can see, it's here, the nose shape. You have to follow the instruction, simple as this thing. That's it. You can see it's done. Maybe a little more adjustment would be better off to cover it properly. Yes, now it's done. See, properly aligned. The down angle where the airflow goes out from your nose, and this is where the air comes in. That's where the holes are there. And very simple. It's magnetic, as I told you earlier. Just bring it closer, and the magnetic gets touched. That's it. It's ready. Okay, simple. Now let me see, I don't know if the little battery is there or not. There's less power. I can see it's a red color, it's blinking and giving a sound also. So that means telling me that, okay, charge me, then only I can work. So I need to charge this thing, and I'll get back to you right away. So right now, as I told you, we need to charge the unit. Now, but before I do that, the most important people like I also expected like it will be heavy on it, but actually it's quite light. And here is the charging pin, the USB Type-C pin on the side. It is on the right hand side on this thing, very enclosed inside, you can't feel it also. So I'm just going to connect it. Here's the cable which I use for charging, USB Type-C. Sorry, here it's done. You can see the light. So now we'll wait for till it charges and get back to you, and I'll also give you a time, how much time it took me to charge to 100% or maybe 50%. So I was charging the LG PuriCare air purifier, and it took me 2 hours, and you can show and you can notice the difference. I've shaved, so I didn't want to waste the time, so I did the shaving and all. So now it's charged, just let me remove it off. So now it's fully ready to be used. Now to give an idea to you, and here is the indicator which switches on. So now I'm going to switch it on. Now you see it's green, that means it's fully charged, and it will remain green till 70%. When it turns orange, that means it is going to be timings from 25 to around 75%, and when it's red, that means it is less than 15%. So that's the time you should be charging it. So it's 2 hours it takes for charging, and also there's a very minute sound comes in indicating like chimes, you can say it, which is like peak peak peak. So that indicates the speed and also the how much of the battery left also. So now the most important thing, using the product, how to use it. Now as I told you earlier, it comes with a strap for the neck also, which comes with a hook which gets fixed out to it. So now I'm going to show you how to use it. Here branding is important, so branding has to be kept right. You got to fix it up. Other one also. And now this is what's ready. So let's try it out. So this is the mask. Breathing looks pretty interesting actually, like I could feel the air coming inside. There was no blocking actually on my nose. I forgot to show you. Can I speak to you through this or not? Wait one moment. Here. I think so you can hear me, and my sound like Darth Vader. Luke, I'm your father. Okay, that sounds very weird. But I think so you can communicate through these box and all. The best would be part of the review would be done, because GITEX Technology Week is coming right now, and coming week from 6th December to 10th December, and there will be people among them where it be the right time, a right moment to use this product, and I'll get back to you how did it go among the crowd. But I can still feel like now the green light is on. Now I got a double beep. I'm increasing the fan speed. Now the third beep. Now freeze out, and I can feel it. I can feel more air coming inside, but when it's like the high speed, that means it will last only for 2 hours. At the lowest level, it will last me for 8 hours. On the second medium level, the battery lasts for 6 hours. So that's the call you have to take. Like if you, I don't know it's suitable for running or not, but that's what the idea is, that more air, so more you can breathe in, maybe you can run with it. But that's where it is right now. So this is just the unboxing and starting showing you how to use this product. Watch for the review. And this is Ranbir signing off. Do 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 do.